Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using Vultr object storage. Vultr object storage offers a robust and affordable solution for storing large amounts of data. It's an ideal platform for archiving information, hosting media files, distributing large software downloads, and backing up critical data. With its pay-as-you-go pricing model, you only pay for the storage you actually use, making it a cost-effective alternative to traditional storage solutions. Object storage differs from block storage in that it's designed for unstructured data like images, videos, and documents, allowing for greater scalability and flexibility. Vultr object storage boasts impressive performance, ensuring quick and reliable access to your files. It integrates seamlessly with other Vultr services, enabling efficient workflows for various applications. For developers, the S3-compatible API offers a familiar and user-friendly interface for integrating object storage into their projects. This compatibility simplifies the process of migrating existing applications and building new ones, leveraging the power of Vultr's infrastructure. Security is paramount, and Vultr object storage provides several features to protect your data. Data is encrypted both in transit and at rest, providing an additional layer of security against unauthorized access. You can manage access permissions using access control lists, ACLS, and control access keys, granting granular control over who can access specific objects and buckets. Furthermore, the service's multiple availability zones offer redundancy and resilience, protecting your data against hardware failures and ensuring high availability. Choosing the right storage solution is crucial for any project. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or an individual looking for a reliable and affordable way to store your files, Vultr object storage presents a compelling option. Its scalability, performance, security features, and competitive pricing make it a strong contender in the object storage market. Consider exploring Vultr object storage to see how it can streamline your data storage needs. Remember to check the description for links and further information.